Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Brother T220 printer driver step by step. If your Brother T220 printer is not printing or your computer is not detecting the printer, this video will help you to fix that issue. So let's start without wasting the time. Let's start by downloading the drivers first. So please open up your browser and type here Brother T220 printer driver. Hit enter and you will get results. Click on the first result. It should be the official one from the Brother website. So please click on that and you will get a download page. Here you need to select the operating system of your computer and then click on OK. If you don't know which operating system you have, minimize that window, right click on my computer and click on properties, and here you will get the about page where you will get all the information here. Please scroll down and go to the system type. The system type is 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then download the driver accordingly. Minimize that window and go to the printer installation page, download page, sorry. Click on that and click on full feature driver. After that, click on agree button, and once you click on agree button, the download will start automatically. So you will have to wait here for download the drivers. After download is complete, you need to click on folder icon to open up the location where the file is downloaded. Double click on the downloaded file to execute it. If you have any problem in downloading the drivers, then you can check out the video description below. You will get the download link there. So minimize all the windows and wait for the installer will get start. And don't do anything once you double click on the downloaded driver file. It will start automatically. Here you go. Choose the preferred language and click on next. Click on I accept and click on next again. It is trying to search the connection of your printer, so please make sure the printer is turned on properly and the USB cable of the printer should be connected to the computer and the printer. You will have to wait here, so please wait and let it be done. It seems like not detecting the printer, so please try again once more. Please disconnect both of the end of the USB cable and clean it properly and connect it again. Make sure the printer is turned on and try again to the connection part, and then click on next. Once you click on next, it will start searching the printer automatically. If your printer is not detecting, it means there is a problem with the connection. In that case, you will have to install the printer manually using its basic driver. To install the printer manually, you will have to download its basic drivers first, then we will see how to install it. So let's start downloading the basic driver. Please follow my steps. First of all, close this automatic installation wizard. Now open up your browser and go to the download page. You can click on back twice to get the main download page. Here scroll down and go to the drivers tab. Click on that printer and driver scanner driver and click on agree button, and your download will start. So go there, and once the download is complete, click on folder icon and right click on that. You can run it. Double click on that It will create a folder, this one. Double click on that. You will get the basic drivers, the INF driver. Remember the location of this folder and click on close. Click on start button. We are going to install it manually. Click on settings. Click on devices and click on printer and scanners from the left side pane, and then click on add a local printer icon plus icon. It will search the driver and give you the option, the next option, the printer that I want is not listed. You need to click on that. Choose the last option, add a local printer, and click on next. Here you need to choose the port. I suggest you to choose USB 001. This is a most important step, so please do it carefully. You need to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. After that, click on next and click on have disk. Click on browse and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers, the basic one. Go to the download folder and go to this folder and choose the second last file, the INF file, and click on open. Click on OK and choose the second one, DCP-T220 printer, and click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the drivers now, so you will have to wait and let it be done. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. The printer has been installed successfully. You need to click on finish to complete the installation process. As you can see on the computer screen, the printer Brother DCP-T220 printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on your Windows computer. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please hit like button and share this video to needed one, and subscribe our Set Printer YouTube channel if you don't want to miss this type of useful tutorials. Have a great day. Bye bye.